Hello everyone and welcome back to Shib. Tonight, the price of Shiba Inus will double, which is amazing news. With new coins and tokens like Shibainu and the upcoming Shibarium, an Ethereum-based Layer 2 or L2 blockchain network for Shibainu, cryptocurrencies are becoming more and more popular and accepted. This will turn Shibainu from a meme coin into a whole ecosystem. In this video, we'll discuss how the price of Shibainu is set to double this evening. Enormous Shib news, remember to give it a huge thumbs up. Without further ado, let's get started with the video. Share and subscribe to the channel to view our most recent content on expert analysis and Shiba Inu price forecasts. Shiba Inu has grown to be a prominent meme coin and is now ranked among the top 20 cryptocurrencies in terms of market valuation. The Shib team has continued to work on a number of projects at a consistent pace of development. The Shib environment is well known for setting noteworthy standards and achieving milestones. In a recent milestone, the largest cryptocurrency exchange, Binance, announced that it will be removing Shiba Inu and other tokens, such as the Frost Share Trust Wallet token and one, from the Innovation Zone on April 18. The announcement stated that the purpose of the Innovation Zone was to provide Binance users with a secure environment in which to trade new and innovative projects. Over time, some of these projects may have demonstrated their value and become compliant with our high standards. Binance said that the exchange has chosen to remove Shib and these other tokens from the Innovation Zone following thorough evaluation. After Binance conducted reviews based on a number of factors, Shib reached this milestone. As a result, someone wrote a script to create millions of wallets in an effort to stress test the network. The number of hosted wallets on the beta version of the Shibainu Shibarium network is still rising, raising questions about the underlying cause of this sudden increase. A team member behind shibaswap, a Shiba Inu-based network finance project, revealed in a recent tweet that they authored a script that generated over 9.5 million wallets on PuppyNet and carried out over 3 million transactions on the beta network. Additionally, the team member revealed that they were also responsible for developing around 1,620 tokens on the test network shibaswap DAO SP. These revelations come from recent disclosures. Among these coins are DAO and shibaswap's token SPX. Information from a Puppy scan recall that the number of wallets recently increased by 86% within 2 days, surpassing 5 million. The network presently boasts an astonishing 13.3 million wallet addresses with a transaction total of over 3.47 million, according to the designated block explorer for PuppyNet. This astonishing outcome was sparked by this script. As emphasized time and time again by Shoshiro Kusama, the Shiba Inu lead, the goal of the test network is to give interested parties the chance to conduct various tests on the network to confirm its effectiveness and dependability before it is launched on the main net. Developing a script to generate millions of wallets on the test network is a commendable effort, as it can aid in evaluating the scalability and efficiency of the blockchain, as well as help in detecting any potential bugs or glitches that may occur during the process. Stress testing the network is essential for evaluating its dependability. The script's authors claim that their goal was to assess the network's capacity to manage high-traffic events like airdrops and games. To evaluate the network's transaction time resilience and other capabilities, they also proposed executing an airdrop script and other testing. The Shib burn tracker announced yesterday that over 34.92 million Shinu were burned in 3 transactions, with 2,531 million Shib coming from a single wallet. The largest transaction came from the Coinbase associated wallet Coinbase 10, which transferred a whopping 2,313.97 Shib to the burn address in a single transaction. As of right now, there have been no reported bugs in the past month of March. The Shib burns have been quite impressive in March, with 6.78 billion Shib tokens burned with 540 transactions. Both the absolute number of Shibs destroyed and the number of transactions thus showed a significant increase compared to the previous months. An indication of the rising the futures market has also seen a trend since the beginning of March. According to CoinGlass data, the number of open futures has exceeded $2.48 trillion, or roughly $26.78 million, just 1 month ago. Open interest, OI, is a metric that measures the number of active positions investors have taken in contracts. When the SHIB price reached its yearly high of 0.159 in early February, the growth in open interest shows that traders' interest in the SHIB is expanding. At the time of publication, the OI was $47.3 million. As reported on Newsbk, the Shiba Inu price was at $0.0000001083. The SHIB price is presently trading in an ascending triangle, a continuation pattern, and with today's dip to $0.164, the SHIB has set a new higher low, maintaining the uptrend. A definitive determination of the bulls or bears by the end of April, dominance may arrive. Recently, Shiba Inu has started to draw the interest of investors. Its futures open interest jumped to 2.4 trillion tokens, or $2,751 million, following a slow increase that began a month ago. A rising pattern indicates a resurgence of interest, raising expectations of a price increase. When an asset's open interest rises, the total number of outstanding futures contracts that have not been settled or closed out by an offsetting deal is referred to as futures open interest. In essence, it indicates the number of contracts that are still active and held by market participants. When P grows exponentially, it usually indicates that a substantial amount of fresh capital is entering the market and that traders are establishing positions in anticipation of price changes based on CoinGlass data. A platform for intelligence on futures trading, Shiba Inu's open interest has risen by more than 52% from the March 13 low of $18.05 million to the present level of 2,751 million SHIB tokens valued at 2.4 trillion. The open interest chart shows that there is a relationship between the price action of the asset and its OI, with the asset price often showing an uptrend when the OI increases. On February 5, for example, OI increased to 3.2 trillion tokens, or $47.3 million, and this was accompanied by a surge in the price of the SHIB to 0.1527, the asset's highest value this year. However, after February 5, it began to decline, and the asset price also started to register dips after a decline to the low on March 13. The open interest is once again witnessing a surge in value, and investors are anticipating the asset price to follow suit. Trade volume on Binance has also shown signs of renewed interest for Shib since it fell to 1.58 trillion SHIB on April 8. SHA's volume on Binance has been rising every day for the last 4 days, and as of right now, it is at 2.44 trillion tokens. The asset is presently trading for 0.0011, down 0.97% over the last 24 hours but up 0.8% over the last hour. Despite its current underperformance, the SHIB is trying to break above the ascending triangle it is currently caught in during the extended consolidation phase. A breakup of the triangle could see the SHIB aim for the February highs of 0.0015. Recent trends indicate that market participants now like the asset, and more demand may help it achieve its objectives. According to MarketCap's Q1 2023 report, SHIB was one of the top 3 assets examined globally. The Shiba that concludes today. Don't forget to give the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel to view our most recent content. Inu community also recently hinted at an iconic partnership with legendary musician Scott Pagee as well as an NFT collaboration with top American celebrity sculptor Jack Storms, which would see Storms accept SHIB on his official store.